Hi, this is Yeehaw Agent. Yeehaw Agent is an all-in-one tool where you can hop on a video call, use a voice agent to handle all your files in the video call, and fetch external data as needed. The main use case for the Yeehaw Agent is financial analyst meeting where they have to go through long documents like earnings call reports. I'll start a meeting. This is me. I can join a room. You can wait for participants. Participants can easily join the room using the link above. And here's a panel for the AI agent. And you can see here, there's an arrow I can pull up and upload my document. So here I'll upload Meta's 2025 earnings call report. And now I'll go ahead and share my screen, show you what the report looks like. So it's a 20-page report outlining basically a conversation between reporters and Mark Zuckerberg. So I'll go back. What I can do is I can use my gesture to highlight information on here as needed. For example, if we're in a meeting and you want to grab people's attention and show that this is an important information that they need to know, you can go ahead and highlight with your finger. You can pinch and highlight. And now you can, by holding up 3 fingers, you can delete the highlights that you created. And now I'll move on to the AI agent. So using your fist, you can invoke AI agent and ask it about questions regarding your document, external sources like stock data, news, etc. So I'll go ahead and ask it to summarize the document. Can you summarize the earnings call report that I uploaded?
The Meta Platform's Q4 2025 earnings call highlighted that the company is optimistic about 2026, seeing many opportunities for growth. CEO Mark Zuckerberg mentioned that they are 6 months into rebuilding.
So, and I can also stop the AI agent using my open palm sign. And as you can see, it was able to summarize the report pretty well with the evidence from the document itself. It said Zuckerberg mentioned that they're pretty optimistic about 2026. So because the agent fetches the chunks from the vector database, it's able to refer to the document as examples. Now I'll try to fetch an external data. Can you show the price of Meta's stock over the last month?
Meta's stock price over the last month.
So as you can see, it's able to provide me with charts. I cut him off in the middle. He had a lot to say about this chart, but you can see that it's able to generate an overlay of time series data on my screen so that it's easy for me to look at while maintaining my focus on the call. So the other thing I can do is I can ask it to combine these informations to derive a prediction. Based on the last month's Meta stock price and the earnings call report, what are the predictions for the future?
Meta's stock price dropped about 6.8% in the last month, closing most recently at $593.66. A simple trend projection based on this movement points to a further slight decline to around 500.
So yes, when I asked about the prediction, it inferred that I needed to look at the chart. So it pulled it up, and combining the information from the chart and the report, it's able to derive some sort of predictions that could be meaningful. So some of the use cases is meetings for financial analysts, like researchers or educators. And I think some of the future milestones that we might want to look at are interfacing this AI so that it's usable in a variety of different environments like phone calls or text messages. Thank you.